Hey there guys, we are at Tofield Packers in the town of Tofield, Alberta, and this is the place you come to get good steaks. I forgot to bring along my GoPro. See, that's the meat processing plant back there. That's it there. I forgot to bring along my GoPro, so I'm doing this with the phone. This is it. Tofield Packers, look at that cool little wagon. And that's the building there where great steaks are made. So let's go inside, see what we can find. Here we are at Tofield Meat Packers, guys. We are at the meat packing place. Look at the size of that beef hanging back there. Look at the size of that. That is one giant cow. Huge, that cow. Let's see if I can zoom in. No zooming allowed. That's a big cow. Here we are, guys, at Tofield Meat Packers. Look at the size of that piece of beef. How many pounds is that?
517.
517 pounds. Solid beef. And look at that. Everything full. All the beef you could want. And back here we have even more. Just full. Look at that. Wall to wall raw meat. And here we have more. Look at the size of those pieces of beef. They're like a small car.
650 pounds, that other guy there.
650 pounds, that one in the middle there. Unbelievable. And this is the boss here. What's your name?
Dale.
That's Dale. He's the boss here. And
Come this way.
he gave me a little tour of the place. I forgot my GoPro, so I'm doing it on the
This is
phone.
my daughter Jill.
This is Jill. She's making the ground beef.
Bison patty.
There you can see the ground beef coming out. Wow. So there you have it. This is where the best steaks come from. Really good meat.